Hello, I'm Smithy, this is my Contiki, and Storm Dennis is on the way. Now one thing I noticed when I was at my mother's with the storm that was there a few days ago, Cara or whatever it was called, was that roof light. This I'll show you in a second what I'm going to do, but what happened was, I don't usually have that. That's just a fly screen that you can have when it's summer and you open it. But what I did notice is this, look, I'll just show you. If I lift you up, right, so watch. Now that, in Storm Cara was going mad, and I thought, that's going to break that, or it's going to come off. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to tape it in 2 points, one at this side, one at that side. And I'm hoping to ride Dennis out. I put a picture of, I don't know if I've still got the video, I could show you, but the last storm it blew my indicator light off, but it was hanging on the wire. So I taped it with this tape, and I've left the tape on purely for this storm, and I'm going to look into how to fix it. Now, got paint on my arm. The only problem with this tape is, it might leave a residue. But a bit of nail polish remover and it'll be gone. Right, so I've checked every window. Right, let's have a look. That's not bad, that's good. I'm still going to put this across. Right, so I'm shutting all the blinds, obviously because it's dark. But what I don't want is any of the windows getting an airflow through them with this mad storm that's coming. So I'm hoping we'll ride Dennis out. It's just a short video just to let you know about that roof light. If you've got one of them and it's a bit loose and this storm's coming, the danger is, I didn't know that was happening until I made the video about oh, it was the cameras, the Wi-Fi cameras, and I sat here and I thought, that's going to blow off. And it really felt like, like it sounded like it was going to blow off, and I thought, right, so I've taped it now, so I'm going to ride the storm out with that tape on. And I'm going to keep this stuff in the van, because it's come in handy a few times. There's my power bank, I'll set that in. Right, so, that's it, just a quick video. Just wanted to make you aware of your roof lights. Check that every single window's shut, every handle's closed, check it all. Put your wing mirrors in, and there you go. Let's ride it out together. See you soon, I'll let you know if that happens.